100%. Yeah. Why you're so meowy? I still have muta. Maybe let's go. Let's go outside so you can go do your business, huh? Right? Come on, Pala. Going outside. Come on. Let's bye. Good morning. Good morning, people. How are you guys? So we just woke up. So when we wake up in the morning, we let Polo outside right away so he can do his business. Usually, I put him in his kennel to go to sleep. But last night, I want him to sleep with me. I haven't vlogged for 5 days because I've been busy cleaning and fixing the backyard. And I also built the temporary garden, but the raised bed garden, I haven't put it together. So I'm going to wash my face because maybe I have muta. Muta is eye booger. So see you later. I already washed my face and then right now I'm going to open the windows, then we'll make our coffee. Google, turn on the dead lights. Turn on the lights. So let me see. Let's check the living room if Polo. Ah, he did not do the business. Bravo, Polo. Mama is happy. You did not do business anywhere. Go, boy, Polo. He's outside. See? You see Polo, guys? And that one. That's Polo. So I'm gonna make my coffee and I'm going outside. Drink my coffee. Because I did put the fountain, so I put some water and then it worked. Like when I turn it on, like you can hear the water, flowing, and it's so relaxing. So sometimes I go outside, hang out, drink my coffee, and let the fountain work in. It's so relaxing. I already made my coffee and I'm already here outside. So we're going to drink my coffee here. And I'm going to show you the patio light that my husband and I installed last week. And see, as you can see, that's the patio light from there to there. And it's nice though. So this is the fountain. Look like, but sometimes you need to add water because there's a leak that we haven't fixed it, but I just need to add a little bit of water and it works. And yeah, it's very windy today. So this is the patio light that my husband installed with my help a little bit. So here's the patio lights when it's dark. And so my husband installed this patio lights. It's nice. So, and here's the other side. Really gives lights really good in here. It's good when you're doing some barbecue nights, making some, what is it called, s'mores. The one that you're gonna you get the marshmallow and put it in the fire and then sandwich it with a graham cracker and chocolate. So it's nice. I'm so happy with this one. pretty. And, and then there you go. So there's the old fountain here before. So I did remove that and put the bricks. So I grabbed bricks from other side, but here you go. I did fix this as well because it's not look good. So I did grab some few bricks from here. So this area, it was a small, but now it looks big because I did remove one row here, and then I removed 2 rows here, so it looks bigger. And then the old wood here, that's the wood that I built the basement garden temporary. So I'm going to show you guys the temporary basement garden. Here you go. And so I haven't put the soil yet, but maybe this weekend. Thinking to stay outside, but I did not because it's very windy. So there's a lot of eggs here. Yeah. Lots of people. The bunny. Hi. Huh? Are we going to help? Go get. Dali. Dali get. Dali. Here. Dali. Lupig. Di bata. Di man mo punin. Here. There's no more egg.
Look for wherever they're at. Go.
Dali, pick up egg. Ayan, there's more.
Here, I found 2 right here.
Oh, that's for free. Dali, lupig man ka? Okay, punit.
Hindi ko si Kakende. Antol ko si slide.
Okay lang na, pero di matintal si mami o si papi. Lumabas na si Bunny. Bunny is out. The bunny is out.
The bunny is out now.
The bunny is out. Go slide. Go. I'll take video. Go. Be careful. She's gonna be here. She's gonna be here. Hi, Dali. Come on. Huh?
Are you ready?
You want to slide more? Allah.
Allah.
Oh, she likes sliding.
Slides more down.
Okay.
Go down.
Hi guys. We are egg hunting.
Si Dali ramag.
This would be my first time to experience egg hunting. Egg hunting. Hi everyone, good morning! I'm going to show you my experiment about budbud or suman in Tagalog. So last time we did order a vacuum sealer. That's why I decided to experiment how many days the budbud before it's get bad. So I did vacuum sealed 2 budbud. So I vacuum sealed for I will open it after 10 days, and then the other one I will open it after 15 days. So the 10 days I already opened it, and I have video for that I'm going to insert. So I'm going to open the budbud that I sold few days ago. So this budbud, it's been 11 days vacuum sealed. So I'm going to check if it's still good, because my friend ordered budbud and then she mailed it to other state, and then 6 days later she received it, and then it's still good. So she was very happy. She was very happy that she received budbud bisaya. Already made my coffee, and then the moment of truth. So I'm going to open it and then preheat it for 30 seconds in our microwave. I know that after 6 days it's still okay. So this has been 11 days since I vacuum sealed this budbud. Ah. Oh wow. Oh my god. Still smells budbud. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to go. I'm going to preheat it. So let's preheat it. Budbud. Hala ko! It's too good! Hala! I can't believe it! Ah! So I have a classmate that live other state too, and she missed the budbud because she came from where I came from. And I also have another sealed budbud. Oh my god, still good. Look at that. Still, oh. Oh my god, still good. Still good. Ah, it's still good. The budbud is still good. After 11 days vacuum sealed, it's still good. Oh my god, I'm happy. Tell me. And now we are going to open the budbud that's for 15 days. Ayan. It's not only 15 days because I sailed this budbud on March 21, 2022. And I should open it on April 5. And today it's already April 7. So it's already 17 days old, this budbud. Ayan. So I vacuum sealed it and put it in the counter. I did not put it in the fridge. So, no further ado, let's open it and see the moment of truth. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god! Smells budbud! Woo! Still smells budbud, people. It's not smells bad. So I'm going to preheat it for 30 seconds. Believe it! Yay! We'll see if it's still good inside. It's not smells bad, but it's getting there. So 17 days, it's not good that the budbud keeps outside. And the taste, it's already funny. I think, yeah, it's not good. 17 days. So the safest day that you will keep this budbud outside, the counter for 6 to 11 days, vacuum sealed. And then after that, you put it in the freezer. And then if you want to eat some budbud, you preheat the budbud for 1 minute and 30 seconds when it's frozen. But if it's not frozen, you can just preheat it for 30 seconds. So that's our budbud experiment.